Hi everyone, and welcome back to Halal Made Simple. I'm Dewi, and as always, I'm joined by Anna.
Hi everyone. Hi Devi. I heard you recently attended the Asia Pacific Agri-Food Innovation Summit. How was it?
It was fascinating. I spoke on a panel about novel foods, the challenges, and ways to facilitate regulatory compliance. So what really stood out was how sustainability such a driving force in shaping industries, including the halal industry. It got me thinking about how halal and sustainability actually intersect.
That's such an interesting angle. I feel like business often think of halal as one thing and sustainable as another. But there's so much overlap, isn't there?
Exactly. Today, we are going to explore how sustainability is influencing the halal industry and what it means for businesses. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Sustainability is about meeting today's needs without compromising future generations. In the halal industry, this means sourcing responsibly, reducing waste, and ensuring ethical practices. Anna, what do you see happening in Vietnam when it comes to sustainability and halal?
That's a great point, Dewi. In Vietnam, there's a push towards sustainable practices, especially in the food and beverage sector. Consumers are asking where their food comes from and how it's made. Business that align halal practices with sustainability, like using ethical sourcing or reducing packaging waste, are gaining a lot of traction, especially with younger consumers.
Exactly. It's not just a trend, it's becoming an expectation. So at the summit, I learned that global novel food markets are increasingly influenced by conscious consumerism. So people want products that are not just tasteful and innovative, but also environmentally friendly.
Dewi, how does sustainability affect the halal supply chains? That seems like a complex area to navigate.
It is. But it's also where some of the biggest opportunities lie. So, for example, sourcing halal certified ingredients that are also sustainably farmed or ensuring ethical labor practices along the supply chain. Novel foods like plant-based alternatives are gaining popularity in the halal market because they are perceived as more sustainable.
That's interesting though. I've noticed that in Singapore too, where plant-based and halal products are overlapping, businesses are exploring ways to create halal certified plant-based alternatives that appeal to both sustainability conscious and halal consumers.
Exactly. And sustainability in the supply chain can also mean reducing food waste, using eco-friendly packaging, and minimizing carbon footprints through transportation, all of which align with ethical practices of halal. And now, from your perspective, what opportunities do you see for businesses that combine sustainability and halal?
I think there's a huge market for halal certified products that are sustainable, especially in export. For example, Vietnamese seafood industry has started exploring sustainable practices, which could open doors to Muslim majority countries if they combine that with halal certification.
That's a really great example. Globally, there's a growing demand for transparency. Businesses that show how they are reducing their environmental impact while meeting halal standards can attract not just Muslim consumers, but anyone looking for ethical products.
It's not just food. Industry like halal cosmetic and pharmaceuticals can also tap into this trend by using sustainable derived ingredients and eco-friendly production processes. But let's not sugarcoat it, Devi. What are some of the challenges businesses face when trying to align halal and sustainability?
So, great question. One major challenge is cost. Sustainable practices often require upfront investment, whether it's sourcing eco friendly materials. Another challenge is balancing sustainability goals with halal compliance, which has its own strict requirements.
That's true, but I think businesses globally are starting to see the long term value. Investing in sustainability might be costly now, but it's based off in consumer loyalty and market differentiation.
Exactly. And there are some solutions. We can collaborate with local suppliers to ensure sustainable practices, or even using technology to track and optimize the supply chain. These steps can make sustainability more achievable for halal businesses. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's essential now. As for the halal industry, is an opportunity to align ethical principles with global demands for environmentally friendly practices.
Absolutely. Businesses that embrace both halal and sustainability are not just staying relevant, they are leading the way.
Next week, we will explore halal certification challenges for SMEs. Don't miss it out.
Be sure to leave your questions in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Halal Made Simple. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.